With the Indra500 TTL, anything goes. Use it on location with its included lithium-ion battery. And with Phottix Odin TTL built in for Canon, Nikon, and Sony, you will have unprecedented creative control. Overpower and control the light any way you see fit. High-speed flash sync allows you to control ambient light and shoot wide open with shutter speeds up to 1/8,000th of a second. The Indra offers an 8-stop power range controlled in 1/3 stop increments. It has 32 channels and 5 groups, allowing you to independently control your main light, fill light, and accent lights using manual control, full TTL, or a mix of both. The metal construction coupled with the Bowens S-mount gives you a plethora of light shaping options. The daylight balanced LED allows you to pre-visualize your images and see where the light is falling. And the battery supplies up to 360 full power flashes. It also enables you to run 2 Indra500 heads, while a USB power port enables you to power any USB powered device. What makes the Phottix Indra500 truly unique is that anything goes. In addition to the Odin and Odin 2, it can be triggered with the Strato 2 or Metros Plus. This allows you to use your Indra500, Indra360, Metros Plus, Canon or Nikon speedlights all on the same shoot. The phrase anything goes doesn't stop at the radio system. The Indra500 battery can also power Indra360s, Metros Plus, and most third-party speedlights when used with the proper cables. The Indra500 TTL is the perfect combination of portability, flexibility, and power, and is guaranteed to be one of the most versatile lights you will ever own.